Hi there, I'm Mitch Scaff, Sales Engineer at Insightly, and today I'll be showing you how to integrate Calendly to Insightly using AppConnect, our no-code, low-code automation platform. With this automation, every Calendly booking instantly creates an event in Insightly with no manual entry needed. It keeps your meeting schedule and CRM in perfect sync, making Insightly your single source of truth for customer interactions, all within one unified platform. Let's jump in. Alrighty folks, I'm here in Insightly on the contacts object. I have this list view already geared up and set for me. It's looking at all contacts who have not engaged with us in the last 60 days, right? We want to re-engage, see if they're ready to move forward from our last conversation. So as you can see here, I have Abby. She's VP of Quality Control, C-level exec, looks like a good candidate I want to reach out to. I can see date of last activity was May in 2022. I can look at that email in our activity tab. We see she didn't even respond, but I want to send her an email, see if she's ready to book a meeting with us today. I'm gonna go ahead and click this button. What's gonna happen now, we're gonna send her an email with a link to Calendly to book an event. And what we want to happen is have that event automatically populated in Insightly and linked to the appropriate records. Okay, so our email has been sent. I can open this up, look at it in more detail, right? It was sent from Jose, who was Abby's contact owner, to keep that conversation flowing. And she's talking to, or thinks she's talking to, the same person she's been dealing with to this point. Hi, Abby. Hope you're doing well, with all the same sales lingo, sign off, Jose, right? But I'm going to submit this on behalf of Abby. So I'm going to open up in Calendly to book a meeting. I'm going to look at May 30th. Looks like 10:30 is open. So let's go ahead and click next. Put her name in here, her email, and then, I want to learn more about the new features since we last spoke, and schedule that event. Now, we don't want to have to create this event in Insightly manually. We want automation to add this event to Insightly, link it accordingly, like I said, and then add it to our calendar for easy viewing. So I'm going to navigate back to Abby here, go to her activity tab, and we should see that event automatically populated for May 30th, sales demo with Abby. More importantly, what happened here is it's not only on her individual activity tab, it's also going to be on our calendar view. So if I'm a manager, I can easily keep track of my sales reps' days, who's busy, who has time for a project or a task that needs to get completed. But on May 30th, I see 10:30 a.m. sales demo with Abby. I can open this up, see the details of what she wanted to discuss or any other details about that Calendly meeting. But also on the related tab, it's linked to Abby, but also her organization, giving that umbrella effect where I can see all meetings and events booked with Monahan McClure. The other bonus to adding all of this to Insightly and keeping all this data in one place, having Insightly be your source of truth, is you get these really clean dashboards for each rep, right? Jose's dashboard, his meetings this month, top leads by rep, what's my opportunity win percentage, what's currently sitting in my pipeline, tasks I'm completing again, compared to my peers, and what have you. If it's a data point in Insightly, we can build a dashboard on it. So we saw this information flow from one system to another seamlessly. We saw all the data attached to each record. But let's take a look at how the bacon's made in AppConnect, which was the engine running in the background, automating this workflow for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this waffle icon, open up AppConnect, go to my active recipes here. I have this ready to demo, automation ready to go. So all we're simply doing here is when a new event's booked in Calendly, get the full details of that event. Was it a reschedule? Was it canceled? Whatever, what have you. Find the matching contact in Insightly by the person who booked it using email, usually a surefire identifier. Create that event. So I did some time manipulation here for the time zone difference, added the answers from the form. If we don't have anything, just skip this field. And then some API calls. So for our developers out there, you can program, like I showed you, code in here and actual API calls if you don't see the native action available to you. So in here, I'm not going to go through the technical details here, but I'm essentially linking that event to the contact that booked it and their organization to give you that umbrella effect. I can look at a singular org and see everything going on with all the contacts that are with that org. What I think this highlights is, this gives your team the ability to manage their automations in-house without the requirement of a third-party developer, reduces that cost of ownership, right? You can manage this in-house. Anybody can come in here, add additional steps, right? Maybe the last step is post the message in Slack. We got a new meeting, right? It could be multiple platforms. As long as it's cloud hosted, we most likely can integrate with it and send data to and from it. To wrap up here, I want to thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, please visit our website or reach out directly to insightly@unbounce.com. We'd love to chat. See you next time.